Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your study abroad network with AFS Intercultural programs step by step clearly. Start by researching AFS Intercultural programs. Visit the AFS website to explore the variety of study abroad options available. Identify the programs that align with your academic and personal interests. Create a list of potential programs to consider. Reach out to your school's AFS liaison or local AFS chapter for information. Attend any orientation sessions or informational meetings they may offer. Connect with past participants through social media or AFS alumni networks. Join AFS-related groups on platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn. Participate in local AFS events to meet like-minded individuals. Engage with your peers who are also interested in studying abroad. Share your own experiences and aspirations within these communities. Consider volunteering for AFS events or initiatives. Take advantage of mentorship opportunities offered by AFS. Follow AFS on social media to stay updated on news and events. Utilize online forums to ask questions and gather insights from others. Document your journey by keeping a study abroad journal. Network with international students at your school for diverse perspectives. Attend workshops focused on cultural exchange and globalization. Explore virtual exchange programs offered by AFS to connect with global peers. Create a study abroad planning group with friends or classmates. Encourage open discussions about cultural experiences and differences. Leverage your school's resources, such as career services, for connections. Stay proactive in seeking out networking opportunities. Follow up with contacts you make to maintain relationships. Keep an open mind and embrace opportunities that arise. As you prepare for your program, stay engaged with your network. Remember that building a network takes time and persistence. Celebrate milestones and connect with others who share your passion for intercultural experiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.